Where are you going today?
I'm going to the cemetery.
Kala ko temple na naman.
What you're saying? Cemetery is a temple.
She said temple. What you're going to bring?
Flowers. And this one. We have
Ang pambansang tinapay ng mga taga Novaliches, Adores, Bake Shop.
We're bringing some toasted chocolate. And
Introduce your ate.
This is my ate. She is Arte.
What's her name?
Ate Rysel, the Arte.
Say hi.
Hi everyone! Arte!
Remember nyo ba siya? Siya yung nasa vlog ni Marquisha nung nagmukbang sila ng sweets. And drawing challenge. Dalaga na siya, right?
I am now kind of tall, not tall enough. I'm taller than him. No, you're not. This is my
Mahulog
favorite cousin because she is my only cousin that is girl.
Kaya siya lang yung favorite. No choice ulit.
That's why she is my favorite. Guys, later at the cemetery and to visit my mommy's mother, Nanay Nana, with my aunt. We're going to play tag there. And be careful.
We're going to play Spooky Nights, Joe.
We love playing at the cemetery when we go there, but in the last like Halloween, Marquisha is not here because she in other place. And like a many Halloween I did, we're not, you know, together. Because
She's far away.
she's far away to me. That's why I'm kind of sad and just making friends with girls. Because I don't have a cousin that is girl and I don't have a sister that is girl. Girl power.
Mga naka-white tayo. The
White family. Girl.
Uy.
Oh, look at your ear.
Hi, nanay. Hi, nanay, nene.
Massage mo, Mark? Ay, tinotodo ko eh.
Gumana ka ba? Bitamos?
Yung mga ganito ko nang wala. Ang tagal ko nang gagawin sa kuha.
Mahal.
Hindi yung green eh.
Love you, nanay. I'm here. Sumagay das, nanay.
May something siya pa ba?
Papa! Ay, mama!
Kaya nyo sila tita yan nyo.
Kita ba din? Sila dito yan.
Mama, how are you, nanay? I'm your apo. I'm your granddaughter. Marquisha. Wave kayo, wave. Wave. Wave.
Dadeng, hi ka. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Look, Daddy Mar. Video to. Dance, dance. May ilaw yung mata niya dalawa. Marquisha is having a manicure and pedicure. I did her nails here. Show to them.
I hope my teacher did not see it. We're kind of loud.
And now she's going to
I have
put
bad
some...
spelling for about this.
Ay, good lang. Yan, brush up. Upward. Yan.
But it's so big.
Can I see?
It's too big.
Don't put a lot.
No,
I'll
because
teach you.
okay,
One more.
this is just my first time, so I don't know.
We're gonna help Marquise.
Because I don't know how. Because this is
Oh, that's
just
too, she put too much. And it's dropping a lot.
this is just my first time. I'm kind of scared. I cannot focus
So
myself.
to help to remove this, a nail polish remover.
Polish remover
To remove the nail polish. You cannot remove that by wiping a simple cloth.
because it can still
It's
be there.
sticky.
My nails are kind of pinkish because my mommy used something. Show that to the guys. To the
We call it Mortilet, but it's cute.
Mortilet.
It's a tint for
and
nails.
it's make our nails kind of pinky. Look at it. It's like a nail polish.
The right way now. First, you have to shake this.
Okay, shake like that.
And then, remove the excess. You see? I removed the excess. Because there's something in the brush already. Then,
Oh, you're slow. Okay.
oh, look. Alright. I did not put too
Mommy,
much.
yeah,
You put too much like this, right? You have to remove the excess.
Okay,
Yeah.
you give it to me.
Ako na.
I want to do
Next time
it.
na lang.
Oh man,
Kasi it easily dries up.
I want to try mommy. Mommy.
Okay, I'll give you a chance. There's more here in the brush. I'll get.
That's okay. I'm actually slow because I
Hindi ganyan.
we need to
Magkano
be
siya na?
careful.
If your movement is like that, it will ano. Look, oh, it's not smooth. But
But
what I did, like this. Brush, ano, from down, go up, up, up. Like that.
Okay, I get it. I get it now.
You have to move fast, like you're
Wait, did you put?
not
Oh,
here.
oh, because you need to shake it first.
Ako na. Don't stick
If you have a school, use this only, not with the color, because what happened? Your school's not allowed.
But some school are not allowed to like that. Ayun na, done.
So shy.
We're gonna finish the
I
rest.
cannot do the next one because
Yeah.
I have. Nice, it's shiny.
Here's the finished product.
Yeah. And also my feet has. So.
Ooh, pink
And it's
yeah.
also shiny
Yeah.
because you also add like that. Well, it's kind of the pink. The pink
Ooh.
girl.
Lady na daw siya eh. Dalaga ka na, girl.
Yeah, and this is like Barbie color. I picked that color. It's like hot pink.
Mine is bluish green.
Next time I wanna use this one. I cannot hold it actually.
No, you have to wait until your nails are
I
dry.
can only hold like in.
Good morning, guys. Today, Marquisha have homework.
There are 7 plates. There are 2 altogether.
You need to answer it. Bring your book down.
Help me.
That's multiplication.
Help me.
Oh. There are 7 plates and there are 2 chairs on each plate. How many chairs are there together? What you need to do, that's multiplication. Okay, and what's the answer? 7 times 2. Skip by 2.
14.
Ang galing na.
1, 2. So there's 2 each of these dots. And
2 rows
2 rows, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
and
And
6.
there's 6
Column.
6 columns. 6 times 2.
Skip by 2.
Well,
Correct. Galing ah. Next.
next there are 4 kinds.
I love Kellogg's.
We have cheese, we have Fruit Loops, and Cocoa Pops.
Yum. Marquisha loves cereal.
Which one you want?
I love the blue one.
This one?
Yeah.
This is for 75 pesos.
Oh my gosh. I'm broke.
You want to buy 2
Pautang.
or 1?
Pautang.
If you buy 2, it's for 25, but if you buy 1, it's 7.
My second favorite was yung yellow. Yung Coco, Pops.
You want 2 of these?
Pautang. Wala akong pera. Utang.
Your payment is just to kiss me.
Oh. So kind.
Kiss me. Come here.
Kiss. Flying kiss. Delivery. My delivery. Yum. This is a yummy cereals. Favorite namin to Marquisha. Parang kasi lang siyang popcorn, no?
I cook that.
You go.
I cook.
It's Marquisha's Kellogg's cereals. That's the brand. Marquisha love it. Sa mga Kellogg's, baka naman. Sa mga baka naman. Pa-sponsor.
Sponsor. Her name is Nene.
Oh, my mom? Nene. It's like a banana, her head. Ang ganda. It looks realistic, guys.
Look at her face. She's posing. She poses like.
You're so good.
She poses like this.
I like it.
She's a bunny.
You imagine that now? You imagine it? I like it. It's so good.
It's a squish, right?
Imagination mo lang yan? Ha?
Yep.
Ooh. Love you. Aww.
I'm so tired.
Merry Christmas. Where's Mommy's gift? Marquisha just got home from school.
Of course, I will support you.
Hey!
I need to remove my shoes.
Remove mo na yung shoes mo.
My table's not here because I transfer it.
Yeah. Para hindi magulo. Kasi I'll put my office table there. And Mommy is the Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Charot.
I want my daddy to dress up as Santa Claus, so I think that's real Santa. I saw Mommy kissing Santa.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
I saw Mommy kissing Santa.
But it's not real Santa. The dad is dressed up as Santa Claus.
Yeah. That's the meaning of the song. Nice shoes.
They're
Right.
very expensive. They're 1K.
Ooh, more than.
Expensive.
But, naka-sale yan ng binili. Hey. How's your school today?
Good.
What you've learned today? Not? Saying
We learned the story again with the review. Mommy, the
about Isaiah
Jacob
and
and Esau.
Esau and the dad is
I don't like Jacob because Jacob, the dad has no more blessing, so Esau cannot get blessed, and Jacob is only blessed. So I don't like Jacob.
yeah,
I don't
he lie
I don't like the story.
because he betrayed his own
And
father.
that's a sad story.
He lied to his father because his father is almost blind, has poor eyesight. What else you study?
And Mappe, we learn about we listen to the song. Is that good again, Mommy?
A Christmas song?
No, like what is we listen to the song, the one I told you, the world of His love.
Oo, the word of his love.
Sing it.
Hindi ko siya kabisado na eh.
The same
Familiar lang ako sa tune niya.
song.
You need to practice that song. Oh, another practice for Markeisha. That's fine. So you know how to sing.
Guys, this is my going home routine. So watching how I keep.
She's taking her lunch. What's your ulam? Boiled egg. She don't like to eat this ulam. Bicol Express
I
and
don't know.
chicken
I'm
afritada.
kind of full.
Markeisha's favorite. Markeisha is picky eater. And after that, she needs to take your vitamins, Scott's vitamins and Scott's DHA gummies. Nanonood po siya. She deserved to watch because it's Friday. Yay! It's weekends. Happy Friday. Say it, Happy Friday. Her mouth is full. Where's your phone stand? She have this phone stand. You have phone stand here.